Hi everybody, my name is Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. We've got a great guitar tutorial and cover for you today. The song is called Mr. Fantasy by the English rock band Traffic. It was written by Jim Capaldi, Steve Winwood, and another gentleman named Chris Wood. Released in 1967, this particular song peaked at number 88 on the Billboard Hot 100. Now, even though it wasn't a great big commercial success for Traffic, this particular song has done well for them throughout the years. It basically appears on every 60s compilation record ever printed. So if you want to learn this song, stick around. We're going to have a look at the chords and the chord progression right now. Okay, so Traffic's original version of this song is actually quite long. It's about 5 minutes and 45 seconds, somewhere in there. In usual acoustic lounge fashion, we've simplified it, cut it down a little bit for you so it's very easy to play and sing along with at the same time. You're going to need to know 5 chords to get through this song. There is an additional 6th chord. It's an optional chord if you want to use it, incorporate it. I use it. It's part of the walk down from the chorus back into the verse, and we'll show you what that is. These are the 5 chords you need to know. First one is a G major. You're going to need to know a D chord, an A major, there's an E chord. You're going to need to know 1 bar chord. It's a F sharp major chord. And that chord is used as part of that walk down, again from the bridge or chorus, that is, back into the verse. That optional 6th chord is just simply a G bar chord. You just simply jump up 1 fret, keep the same finger pattern, and play it that way. You'll see as we go through the song how I incorporate it. You make the call yourself. If you'd rather just use the straight on G chord, please do. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords, or that is the chord progression, and a little bit of strumming. Okay, so for this song, the verse and the chorus are strummed slightly different. We're going to review both of them for you. The verse basically starts on the A major chord. Here we go. To the G, to the D, back to the A. Dear Mr. Fantasy, play us a tune, something that makes us all happy. Do anything, take us out of this gloom. Sing a song, play guitar, make us happy. And that's basically it for the verse. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression on the chorus. Okay, so the chorus and that kind of walk down from the chorus back into the verse. It's strummed quite a bit differently than the verse, and of course it's my own version, so it's not exactly as you would find on the album, but I've basically taken this and just kind of made it my own, and I encourage you to do the same thing. Now, with the chorus, again, there's really no lyrics added to it. The band does do a little bit of harmonizing along with the chords, but that's really about it. Make it your own, have some fun with it. That's the idea. It basically starts with an F sharp major bar chord. Here we go. To the A, back to the F sharp major, back to the A, back to the F sharp major. And you basically do that 3 times in a row. On the 4th time, that's where you also do the walk down back into the verse. It goes like this. basically takes you back into the verse. So here's how it should sound. Here we go. And that's how I play the chorus to this particular song. Again, it's not exactly as the album is, but I find it to be an easy way to play it, and I hope you do as well. Okay, so the last thing that I want to show you is a little riff that I incorporate into the song itself that makes it a little bit more recognizable. Stick around, let's have a look at that real quick. That's that little riff. Very, very simple to play, but I really think it adds a little something to the song, makes it a little bit more recognizable. Let's have a closer look at it now. It basically starts on the 6th string, which is an open E. Then you go to the 3rd fret. This is a G note. 5th string open, which is an A. 3rd fret, C note, back to the A, back to the C, and then back into the A major. All right, so here's how it should sound when you're playing the chords. Here we go. And that's it. Pretty easy to do. But again, I think it adds a little flavor to the song, and if you can incorporate it, then that's great. Okay, so a couple last things to know about this particular song, or at least the version that I play. Firstly, I use a capo on the 1st fret. So if you want to play along with me when we do the cover, place your capo there. And lastly, I do sort of an arpeggio style picking at the very, very beginning of the song. So as opposed to just doing your A strumming, I basically just pick that chord. So it's just right at the very, very beginning, and then I get right into the strumming. You may choose to do that or not. It's completely up to you. But I just wanted to make sure you were aware that I did that. Okay, so you know the routine. We're going to mic it up. I'm going to use a great backbeat from my beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me.
It's a fantasy, place to something to make us all happy. Do anything, take us out of this gloom. Sing a song, play guitar, make it snappy. You are the one that makes us all laugh. Doing that, you break out in tears. don't be sad. It's a straight mind you had. You wouldn't know after all these years. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Dear Mr. Fantasy, place a tune, something to make us all happy, yeah. Do anything, take us out of this gloom. Sing a song, play guitar, make us happy. You are the one who can make us all laugh. Doing that, you break out in tears. Please don't be sad. It's a straight mind you had. Wouldn't know after all these years. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
And there you have it, Mr. Fantasy performed by Traffic. Thank you for tuning into my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.